Hi guys, good afternoon. I am Nitish. I am from Tirupati. Right now I am doing a course in SDLC Training Center, Marathahalli. I would like to share my personal experience with you during the soft skills program. Why soft skills is important? During soft skills program, I learned many useful things: how to create your resume, how to highlight your resume, and how to contact recruiters by email. How to email any when you didn't get any notice from them, and how to contact by personal number if they call you, how to respond. Like this many things I learned from soft skills class. Overall, job seekers and freshers get many chances right now, so this program was very helpful for the freshers or seniors many, because here the masters helps you from scratch to the end point. Overall my experience was very good. I would like to thank Santosh sir and especially Shashank sir, because they helped me a lot. Thank you.